Crane Bank Uganda Limited is the latest company and financial institution to fall under the weight of bankruptcy. The financially ailing institution that has struggled to shrug off numerous concerns over its health has had the central bank put it under receivership.
In the exercise of the powers conferred upon me under subsection 87.3, 88.1a and b of the Financial Institutions Act 2004, Bank of Uganda has, effective today, 20th October 2016, taken over the management of Crane Bank Limited.
Regular on-site tests and external audit report indicate that Crane Bank capital had fallen below the 50% legal requirement under the law.
And that the continuation of Crane Bank activities in its current form is detrimental to the interests of the depositors in the bank. Accordingly, the Bank of Uganda has appointed a statutory management of the bank and a statutory manager of the affairs of the Crane Bank Limited.
Central Bank emphasized that the bank had not been closed and that it would still remain operational and open to customers, being run under an appointed statutory manager.
Operations will continue normally, but under the management and control of the Bank of Uganda. The Bank of Uganda further wants to assure the public that it will continue to protect depositors' interests in the financial sector and maintain the stability of the sector.
The lender was reported to have been in talks about selling a stake to Bob Diamond's Atlas Mara Limited. However, the takeover adds to a string of African bank failures this year caused by the economic slowdown and low commodity prices. According to Ayodele Salami, who holds Atlas Mara among the $450 million of African equities and overseas as Chief Investment Officer at Duet Asset Management in London, and I quote, "Maybe that's why they were looking at it. The bank was in trouble, and they thought they would buy it for a cheaper price and they would recapitalize it. Now that the bank has gone into curatorship, it's still entirely possible for them to buy it. The central bank might be so happy to give it away to you and not have to put its own money into it." Crane Bank has almost 500,000 accounts and 46 branches in Uganda, made a loss of 12.5 billion Ugandan shillings last year as impairment charges almost quadrupled to 50.4 billion Ugandan shillings and operating expenses rose 43% to 103.7 billion Ugandan shillings.